Felix, what are we doing now?
We are sailing
And
sailing around the world.
The unplanned stop gave us the opportunity to explore the beautiful country around Hualtuco. And for me, it was a chance to get one more important thing for my upcoming 4 months current event.
Where are you going, Martin? To the beach?
the beach, gonna try my new board for the first time.
We also met some lovely sailors in the marina, Francis and Leslie, with whom we spent a splendid time before we continued our journey to the south. This time, the winds were very calm.
Good feeling?
Could be worse.
And it was great to pass the famous lighthouse again, but in the opposite direction.
If you wonder why I'm so sweaty and so exhausted, well, this is why. My God, what a fight I had with this beautiful tuna. Yeah, with bloody Felix is sleeping and I couldn't wake him up because we're sailing day and night, so we have shift. So yeah, it's now 12:30. Perfect for lunch. Oh my God. Thank you, little tuna, for giving us food. That was a fight. Oh. Felix, what are you cooking?
Fresh tuna
Oh wow.
and lenses.
Oh wow. Nice. And how did the tuna get into the pan? What?
I cannot tell you.
Why can you not tell me?
I was sleeping very, very deep.
Felix, why are we not eating tuna? Why are we having this?
Because the tuna is already eaten.
And
But we have a serious problem with the motor.
yeah. Now we see we have water because this part is leaking water, the cooling water, and we replaced in the last marina this part, but now this one is. So yeah.
Let's hope that there is a spare part.
Back then, we didn't know that this would actually not be so easy, but we would find out soon.
Felix, what are we doing now?
We are sailing
And
sailing around the world.
and what are we gonna eat?
Today there is fondue.
Fondue.
In the Pacific.
Swiss fondue, the $100 fondue.
And you know there is a bottle of white wine.
Hey!
No kirsch. No kirsch.
No cash, but maybe we can put on some rum. Bye bye.
At the end we needed to be towed away, as we did not manage to sail into the marina with our broken motor. That we did that just 10 minutes before a huge container ship tried to enter the port will be a sailing story that we will remember for the rest of our life.
Was hätte ich gesagt?
Es hat nur ein Schiff pro Woche.
Non è possibile.
Finally, we were in a safe harbor and had time to repair our motor for good. But this has to wait until next time.